Having a balanced figure and a slim waist is the dream of most women. However, besides natural body shape, regular exercise, especially yoga, plays a significant role in improving overall fitness. Can you believe that spending just 10 minutes a day exercising can help your body look better day by day? Today, I'd like to share some simple exercises to help make your waist slimmer and more toned. Exercise 1. Raise your leg until your foot touches your hand. Perform this movement on both the right and left legs. Exercise 2. Kneel on one knee and place the opposite hand on the ground for balance. The remaining arm and leg bend and extend rhythmically. Exercise 3. Kneel on both knees. Raise both arms overhead, then lower them down. At the same time, gently extend your body upward in a smooth rhythmic motion. Exercise 4. You can lie directly on the bed. Lift your legs up and lower them down rhythmically. These 4 exercises will help improve your waistline quickly. Wishing you all a quick return to a slim, toned waist. See you in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any new uploads. Take care and goodbye.